What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on BNGO stock. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with WeBull valued up to $1,850, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account, deposit $100 and choose the free stocks. That's it. So let's start with the company profile, and it says Bionano Genomics operates as a life science instrumentation company in the genome analysis space. The company develops and markets the Saphyr system, a platform for ultra-sensitive and ultra-specific structural variation detection that enables researchers and clinicians to accelerate the search for new diagnostics and therapeutic targets, and to streamline the study of changes in chromosomes. So let's continue with their numbers. For now, its total market cap is $2.12 billion. They have a revenue of $10.53 million with a negative net income of $40.54 million. They have plenty of cash of around $362.06 million, and their total debt is $14.87 million. And they have a mind-blowing current ratio of 51.65. So, as I already mentioned, this company from the financial standpoint is very stable. They have plenty of cash, they have a revenue, and the revenue is growing. And the reason why I'm sure that this company will grow its revenue, because they are consistently selling their system. And on their website you can find this Saphyr. It is their system, and they have three income sources. First of all, you can buy this system as a service, so you can just order some researches to this company. Then, if you already have a Saphyr system, you can get the consumables. And if you want just to buy this system itself, you can buy it. And that's why they have monthly recurring revenue from this point, and they consistently selling their system. On top of that, to improve this point, when companies want to use this as a service, right here on their Twitter, you can find a bunch of testimonials from the medical point of view, and this is very good testimonials, and this is very good source of information from the professional, from the medical point of view. And on top of that, let me show you this. We are on Seeking Alpha, and this article was published on June 16th. And it says, Bionano Genomics is expected to generate further upside at BTIG despite 1000% gain. And let me quote you this. Bionano Genomics has risen more than 1000% over the past 12-month period. Yet, BTIG analysts led by Sung-Ji Nam anticipate further room for upside as they initiate the coverage of the stock with the buy rating. The price target of $10 per share implies a premium of 15.6% to the last close. And for now, let me show you that $10 will have an upside for about 32%. Next bullet. Noting the potential of the company's optical genome mapping technology, the analysts think that Bionano is on the edge of disrupting the cytogenetics testing market, opening a company estimated total addressable market of $700 million to $1 billion. On top of that, let me show you next article. Right here you can find more promising estimation of $2 to $3 billion from the same source, from the BTIG analyst Sung-Ji Nam. So let's continue with these points. The large-scale structural variations in the genome that are not reliably detected only by next-gen sequencing technologies, but addressed by Bionano's OGM technology, could become a significant part of the genetic analysis market, Nam and the team argue. With the company's recent earnings release, Bionano CFO Chris Stewart commented, "We anticipate that the strength of our balance sheet will enable us to clear barriers to global adoption of OGM with Saphyr, referring to its research use-only platform for structural variation detection." And this information leads us to institutional investors. Right here we have green lines that are indicating that these companies are buying the stock of Bionano, and red lines means that these companies just sold their position. And we have two companies that recently sold their position, and the total amount of this selling was a little bit less than $30,000. So we are very bullish on this company, and I'm very bullish on it as well. And that's why let's continue with the technical analysis. But before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So I made my previous video at this point, somewhere at this low, and for now we have this price action. We basically on consolidation phase from this up movement, and for now, for the most conservative target of $10, we have about 32%. And let me show you that these red candles, it is just a total sentiment of the market. Let me show it to you. As you can see, S&P 500 went down for about 2.14% during last couple of days. And of course, this is the reason why we have a small sell-off on the BNGO stock. But let me show you this. As you can see, we have this pattern. And in my opinion, this is the very bullish pattern, and it calls a bullish flag. And this pattern usually breaks to the upside. It breaks this resistance, and this means we are extremely bullish, and this is very good opportunity for you to buy this stock and to put this stock into your portfolio. And let me show you that we've already covered this stock for quite some time. And as you can see, we have two major accumulation points. This is the golden pocket. It is the range between 0.618 and the 0.65 retracement levels from the bottom to the top, because we already finished all 5 waves, and 5 waves on a smaller scale. It is only one wave on a greater scale. That's why it is very good accumulation point. On top of that, I've told you that from this point, from this bottom and this bottom, we had a very good opportunity to add to our position, because overall this company is very bullish in my opinion. And basically, as you can see, we went up for about, let me show you, about 50% from our point when I made my recent video. So, and what are the targets? Let me show you that we have a confluence level of 0.382 and 0.382 right here, and this is also levels from Fibonacci retracement tool from the bottom to the top, and Fibonacci extension tool with this point as our lowest point with the retracement. And let me show you that this is a confluence level also with this top and this top, the level of 0.5. And this might be our next potential resistance, and this is next resistance. So as you can see, we have from the technical standpoint some kind of ladder, and this ladder moves up, and it might be a stop, a consolidation phase, temporary stop along these levels. But our main target, let me show it to you. Our main target at 1-to-1 extension at the $19.34 mark, and at 1.618 extension level from the first wave, because usually the ratio between the first wave and the third wave is 1.618. So the third wave is 61% higher than the first one, and this is this target, and the level of this target is at $28.7 price point. I have to say that these targets are quite long-term targets, and I think we might hit it by the end of the year or at the beginning of 2022. But the target of $10 right here, it is a short-term target, and we might hit it next month. So from our current price, we might have about 32% within about 1 or 1.5 months, and it is very good potential profits for you as potential investors. So I think from the technical standpoint, that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. In this case, you won't miss my next video, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!